Hello guys, we are at the second video called how to create a very successful the product group campaign. In this case, we can see that we already created the product campaign. So this is the must-be stuff. You have to always create the product campaign, then always create the group campaign from it, and also DSA campaign. We can find them here. So this is the product campaign which we already have in our account. Then we are now going to create the group campaign, and also in the third video we are going to show you how to create the DSA campaign. So let's just click on the group campaign. We are here, two options again: create the brand new, the whole new, the group campaign in the brand new settings, and how to keywords generating, how to generate the keywords, how to generate, I don't know, text ads, and the settings, and the campaign settings, and the bidding strategy types, and mapping, and the fields, etc. What we prefer and what we suggest, what we recommend is to use the second option, which called create a new campaign as a copy of the settings of the previously created product campaign. We can choose, in this case, we got the previously created product campaigns for vacuum cleaners. So from the name of the campaign, it should be clear that we are now going to create the group campaign for vacuum cleaners. Okay, so we can hit the save and continue button and wait for the loading data from the AdWords. Yeah, we got here the brand new name of the campaign, which called group, and we can also remove this first mark from the end. We got here again the URL of the XML feed, and we can hit the save and continue button. So nothing special here, very quick, just hit on the save button. Okay, XML is loaded, and we are now waiting for data loading from AdWords. Okay, we came to the mapping options. So we have we copied the settings from the mother product campaign, as we can see here. So we do not need to do anything here because we have already mapped the text, already chosen the category, and only one thing is here missing, and it is URL for products, because in this case we are going to create product group campaign, product group text ads, which means that Bluewinston will try to find the group keywords and also will fully automatically create for you target URLs for those group of products. Let me show you how. So again, we can say hit, and here we got again location and language settings. So again, the same settings in mother campaign, so we can save, we can hit save and continue button, and we jump to the keywords creation. Again, we will use the same truncation option like in the mother campaign, so no other settings needed. It is all copied from mother campaign called vacuum cleaners in the first step, or from the first video. What we have to do here is very important thing, and it's called URL for products. The URL for products is building based on the search URL within your eShop. So what we have to do, very simple. We need to go to our eShop. In this case, it's called Andrea Shop. Okay. Okay. Okay, here we got some advertisement. Never mind. So we have to choose, we have to pick one phrase which will be definitely found in our search. Like for example this Electrolux CGS. Okay, so let's try to write Electrolux. Okay, hit the button, search button, and let the page comes with the search results. Okay, so now it is very basic stuff. We just need to copy our URL, like Ctrl S, Ctrl V will use in the blue instant, put it here, paste it here, and we can see that we were searching for electrodes. We have to remove it from the URL, copy some part of the URL which will be not or which will be very specific for our URL, put it here and choose the truncated product name, which will mean that Blue Instant will add automatically the group keyword or group products in the search URL. Let me show you in the quick preview how it will work like. You can see here Kercher VC6 we will have here in the URL, and after clicking on the URL you can double check if the search results will work for you or no. So if somebody will look or will search in Google search for this particular phrase called Kercher VC6, he will be transferred here and he will be able to choose one of these products, and according to his I don't know, needs, and according to prices or stock quantities or etc. So as you can see, this campaign time called product group campaign is very powerful, and it's always needed for every Blue Instant account and for every e-commerce merchant. So we can jump back to the Blue Instant, and we can see that we finally set the rules how to create the search URL or the template for full text search, and we can click on the Save and Continue button. What we got here again, templates. Okay, we can click on the Edit button, and we can see that instead of product name we got here truncated product name. Okay, as you can see here, Kercher VC, instead of some long tail, you know, the name of the specific product. In this case, we are not using price for product, but we are using price from, which is also fully automatically generated from the Blue Instant, because Blue Instant is trying to look for a bunch of products or a group of products, and he is choosing only the lowest price for this group of products. So in this case, we will not put here words like just for or but only from, for example, yes? And it's okay. All products covered. You can leave it here. It does not need to be removed or deleted, you know, just leave it there and click Save button, and you get the first template ready to launch. Same stuff like in the product campaign, add extensions and URL suffixes. Nothing new, nothing more. Just to be sure, guys, in product group campaign, the only new stuff is how to create the URL for a group of products, which was right here. So very basic, very easy stuff. You need to just go to your eShop, try to search for something which will be found in your eShop, and then copy your search URL, paste it here, remove the search phrase or word, and put here some part of the search URL, after which we will put the truncated product names or the truncated keywords in the search URL. So you have to just go through all steps like clicking on saving and continue. So just click again. Nothing new, nothing special. Of course, you can change some settings. It's totally up to you. But if you don't want to spend the time bothering if this kind of setting is suitable more for group campaign and less for product campaign, you can just you can just hit in the save and click continue button. It's totally okay. So Again, let me show you. We just created the second type of campaign called group campaign for vacuum cleaners. And this kind of campaign will be uploaded to your AdWords in 90 minutes. So very simple stuff and very powerful type of campaign. And as I promised you before and told you before, each single Bluewinston user should definitely create product campaign, product group campaign, and also the DSA campaign for products, or we call it DSAP, which we will going to show you how to create it in the last and third video.